Hello aspirants, welcome to Patriot Indian. In our today's video lecture, we will discuss Pradhan Mantri Jan Jatiya Vikas Mission. What is Pradhan Mantri Jan Jatiya Vikas Mission and how is it going to boost tribal livelihoods and forest economy? So, that is unlocking India's tribal forest economy. Let us discuss it. What is Pradhan Mantri Jan Jatiya Vikas Mission? So, in India, we have around 10.4 crores of scheduled tribes, and among them, around 20 to 40% of the tribes derive their annual income from minor forest produce. So, and since these tribal people are situated very remotely and also very backward, and they do not have facilities to directly sell their goods. So what do? They depend on the intermediaries, and the mediaries exploit them. That is, the middlemen exploit them by procuring the goods with on a very fair on a very less price. That is like less than the minimum price. So to address this issue, government runs the Pradhan Mantri Jan Jatiya Vikas Mission, and in this, the tribes are organized into community-owned Vandhan Vikas Kendras. Vandhan Vikas Kendras means one forest, then money or economy, and Vikas Kendras, developmental centers, and moving them from raw produce seller to value-adding entrepreneurs, through which they can directly sell their goods and goods at a fair prices. So as of now, around 4,172 Bandhan Vikas Kendras have been sanctioned, linking 12.48 lakh tribal members to the scheme. And apart from this, the government also buys minor forest produce at a predetermined minimum support price. So what is minor forest produce? In the Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Dwellers Recognition of Forest Rights Act of 2006, also called as Forest Rights Act, the minor forest produce has been defined as all non-timber forest produce. That is, plant origin, all non-timber forest produce of plant origin, including bamboo, brushwood, stumps, cane, tussar, cocoons, honey wax, lac, tendu or kendu leaves. So as of now, the government has notified minimum support price for around 87 minor forest produce. So what are minor forest produce? All non-timber forest produce comes under minor forest produce. And the act gives tribals right to procure and sell non-timber minor forest produce. Separately, the provisions of PESA, that is Panchayat Extension to Scheduled Areas Act of 1996, grants tribal Gram Panchayat ownership rights over minor forest produce. And the Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India, TriFed. What is it? Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India, mandated with the marketing and development of tribal products, purchases non-timber forest produce at the predetermined price MSP, regardless of the market price of the product. So TriFed procures minor forest produce at a predetermined price, that is MSP. So how does PM Pradhan Mantri Jan Jatiya Vikas Mission support tribals? So beyond procurement of the minor forest produce, the scheme also provides tribals with skilling, technology, marketing and infrastructural support to the tribals, and organize tribals into Vandhan Kendras, Vandhan Vikas Kendras. Each Vandhan Vikas Kendra is comprised of around 15 self-help groups comprising about 300 tribes, 300 tribals. So in every Vandhan Vikas Kendra, at least 60% of the members should be from scheduled tribal communities. And it also does the skilling, funding and technological support, including training on scientific harvesting practices at Vandhan Vikas Kendras. And it also does the marketing and business support. That is, Vandhan Vikas Kendras act as center for market linkages. And as of now, 12.48 lakh tribal members have been linked to the Vandhan Vikas Kendras. Vandhan Vikas Kendras help the tribal women, that is, leading to empowerment of tribal women. So the I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. The Nigamne Ho Yorbe Medum Hangdam in Arunachal Pradesh district was established in October 2021 with 300 women, SHG members and farmers. And they convert locally available non-timber forest and agricultural produce into processed marketable goods. As of now, the goods that have been produced are King Bhoot Jholakya or King Chili Pickle, Bamboo Shoot Pickle and other such products. Okay. And it also strives towards sustainable forest economy. Pradhan Mantri Janjatiya Vikas Mission provides livelihood opportunities to forest-dwelling tribals, offering a systematic way to produce and market non-timber forest produce. That is a systematic way to procure and also to market. These products are locally sourced and rooted in traditional practices, representing a forest-based economy balancing community ownership with market competitiveness. And literally, PM Janjatiya Vikas Mission embodies Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas, ensuring India's growth story and eventually contributing to India's vision of Viksit Bharat at the rate Viksit Bharat of 2047. So this is regarding Pradhan Mantri Janjatiya Vikas Mission. Please do let us know in the comment section how did you like this session, and thank you for joining us.